Most people wake up every day chasing money. But Dr. Myles Munroe once said something that flipped that idea upside down. Money is attracted, not pursued. The truth is, money doesn't hide from you because you're unlucky, it hides because you don't know where it lives. In this video, we'll uncover the 12 secret places where money hides, according to Dr. Myles Munroe, a man who spent his life teaching the principles of purpose, leadership, and kingdom prosperity. Stay with me till the end, because the last 3 will completely change how you see money, work, and purpose forever. Welcome to Wealth University, where smart minds learn to build wealth the kingdom way. Number 1. Money hides in problems. Money doesn't respond to your prayer, it responds to your problem solving. Dr. Myles Munroe said, "The secret to wealth is finding a human problem and solving it." Every billionaire you admire is a problem solver. Elon Musk solved transport. Dangote solved food and infrastructure. Apple solved simplicity. Poor people see problems as pain. Rich people see problems as portals. Don't ask God for money, ask Him for a problem to solve. Because the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the paycheck that follows. Number 2. Money hides in ideas. Every business began as an idea, nothing more. Dr. Myles said, "The wealthiest place on earth is the cemetery, filled with ideas that never came to life." Think about that. How many people died with the cure, the invention, the song, the business, the vision? Simply because they were waiting for money before starting. Don't wait for capital. Start with clarity. Capital follows creativity. Write that book. Launch that product. Refine that concept. God gives seed before harvest, not the other way around. Number 3. Money hides in people. Every blessing God sends to your life comes wrapped in a person. Your relationships determine your reach. Dr. Myles said, "You will never fulfill your destiny in isolation." Money moves through people. Every opportunity, every door, every contract has a name attached. Invest in people. Connect genuinely. Add value before asking for favor. The next level of your finances is not in a bank. It's in someone God already positioned in your path. Number 4. Money hides in purpose. You can't be truly rich doing what you hate. Purpose is the magnet that attracts provision. Dr. Myles said, "When you discover your purpose, you discover your prosperity." Many people work for survival. The wealthy work for significance. When your purpose serves humanity, God commands resources to follow you. Don't chase money, chase meaning. Because money follows mission. Number 5. Money hides in knowledge. Ignorance is more expensive than education. Knowledge is wealth in disguise. Myles taught, leaders are readers. If you want to rise financially, study more than you spend. Books, mentors, podcasts, they all shorten your learning curve. The more you know, the more confident you become, and confidence attracts currency. Number 6. Money hides in work. God never gave Adam money, He gave him work. Work is the foundation of wealth. Myles said, "Your job is what they pay you to do, your work is what you were born to do." If you only do what's required, you'll remain replaceable. But when you do more than expected, you become exceptional, and exceptional people get paid extra. Number 7. Money hides in your environment. Your surroundings shape your success. Money thrives in order, discipline, and excellence. If your space is chaotic, your finances will mirror it. Myles said, "Your environment must be conducive for your potential to bloom." Sometimes, you must move to grow. Don't die in a place where your ideas can't breathe. Number 8. Money hides in systems. Systems multiply results. God himself runs a kingdom, a system built on laws, order, and principles. If heaven is structured, your business should be too. Myles said, success is predictable when principles are understood. Automate. Document. Delegate. Build systems that work even when you rest. When systems move, money flows. Number 9. Money hides in creativity. You were made in the image of a creator. That means creativity is your divine inheritance. Myles said, the creator hides himself in creation. Every creative idea, a design, a course, a song, a solution, is a financial door. Don't just consume content, create solutions. Money follows imagination. 10. Number money hides in management. God never gives you what you pray for, he gives you what you can manage. Dr. Myles taught that management is the proof of maturity. If you can't manage 10,000 Nigerian nairas, you can't manage 10 million Nigerian nairas. If you can't save from little, you won't save from plenty. Track your money. Budget your life. Steward your blessings. Miracles can give you money once, but management keeps you wealthy for life. Number 11. Money hides in value creation. The marketplace doesn't reward wishes, it rewards worth. Myles said, money is attracted to value, not need. Ask yourself daily, what am I offering the world that no one else can? Improve your skill, refine your product, raise your standard. When your value increases, your income adjusts automatically. Number 12. Money hides in vision. Vision is magnetic. Dr. Myles said, the poorest man is not the one without money, but the one without vision. Vision gives direction, direction attracts provision. When you write your vision, money finds its assignment. Don't chase resources. Chase clarity, and the resources will chase you. As I close, Dr. Myles Munroe taught that, you were not born to make a living, you were born to make a difference. Money hides from confusion, fear, and laziness. But it finds its way to purpose, order, and wisdom. So, as you leave today, ask yourself, what problem will I solve? What idea will I act on? Because money isn't missing, it's waiting for you to find it. If this message shifted your mindset, comment below. I will no longer chase money, I will attract it through purpose. Like this video, share it with someone hungry for change, and subscribe to Wealth University, where smart minds learn to build wealth the kingdom way. Remember, your wealth is not in your wallet, it's in your wisdom.